Do you know what it takes to be the greatest competitor of all time? This is after winning 4 or 5 Roland Garros. He's playing golf with his friend one day and Alberto Torres asked Nadal कि lunch पे चलते हैं इसके बाद, we'll sit together and all. And he said no. He had practice in 1 hour. राफा की बायोग्राफी द वॉरियर में उसके चाइल्डहुड का शेड्यूल पढ़ा था मैंने. सुबह 9 से 12 स्कूल, 12 से 2 टेनिस, then again school, then 5 to 7 football, then after 7 homework and all the daily activities. This is what it takes every single day.